He was walking fine, he was standing fine. He even crawled into his car on his hands and knees to get his registration for the officer. Now, Warren's problems came after his arrest and as a result of his arrest.
Law enforcement is not criminally responsible for the death of a Valley City man. That's according to a memo released today by a special prosecutor for Barnes County.
Warren Linvold died in custody from a broken neck, which the state says was probably due to a fall before his arrest. But the attorney for Linvold's family says that doesn't mean law enforcement didn't cause his death.
They're doing okay, but this is a horrible injustice.
Cash Alland is representing Warren Linvold's family after the 72-year-old died earlier this year after being arrested by the Valley City Police and held in the Barnes County Correctional Center. The state says law enforcement isn't responsible for Linvold's death. Alland disagrees.
We believe the conduct of the Valley City Police Department, the officers involved in the Barnes County Jail, is reckless, horrible. It involved the use of excess force. But we were not at all confident that there would be criminal charges.
An autopsy says Linvold died of a broken neck. His chronic arthritis, which didn't allow him to turn his neck, is also listed as a significant contributing factor. Alland says dashcam video of Linvold's arrest shows him being put in a pain compliance hold, and the state's own memo says Linvold was assisted into the patrol car.
If you knew this, you wouldn't do this. I know you wouldn't. Oh, please. Let me die.
The state says Linvold's cervical fracture was probably due to a fall before his arrest. Even if that were true, Alland says law enforcement's actions still brought about his death.
People with a fracture of their spine don't die. But when they are hauled around and dragged by their arms and submitted to or exposed to the kind of force these officers gave him, yeah, that's certainly I think is responsible for Warren's death.
So while the criminal case is closed, Alland says there's still a chance more information will come out.
When the whole story comes out, and it will come out, I believe that justice will be done too for Warren Linvold and his family.
Veronica Marshall, Valley News Live.
Alland says Linvold's family is considering whether or not to go after the Valley City police officers and the Barnes County Correctional Center in civil court.